If you've ever had a design ready in Figma, but had no idea how to turn it into a real fast, SEO-friendly website, this video is for you. At GrowthGeeky, we take your designs and build them into fully functional WordPress websites that are clean, accessible, and easy to manage. And in this video, we're going to walk you through exactly how we do that step by step. So let's say you've already created a UI UX design in Figma or similar tool, but you're unsure about the best CMS to build it on. And that's exactly where we come in. And our recommendation is WordPress. And there is a reason for it. It's the world's most popular CMS. WordPress powers approximately 43% of all websites globally. WordPress is an open platform, and that makes it incredibly flexible to implement pretty much any layout or design you have created. But we don't just slap a design onto a WordPress and call it a day. We're very specific about the tools we use inside it. We don't use any heavy or outdated classic builders. We use Gutenberg, WordPress's most native block editor, paired with Kadence, which is currently ranked #1 for accessibility and SEO friendliness. And the reason that matters is Kadence follows Semantic HTML as its internal structure, which is a big deal for how search engines read your website. And speaking of Semantic HTML, let me quickly show you what that actually looks like. You can see here that how the page is structured with proper tags like header, main, section, article, and so on. Every template we build follows this exact structure. That's not an accident, that's intentional. Alright, so here's the recent project we worked on. You can see the full design we built in Figma, including the About Us section, services, reviews, and testimonials. Everything was designed intentionally before a single line of code was touched. Now here's what the same design looks like when implemented on WordPress. We took it straight from Figma and brought it to life on the backend. Pixel accurate, it's clean and fully functional. Now let's jump into the project section. This is the portfolio area of the website, and this part is something we're particularly proud of. You'll notice how we used dynamic template here. What that means is each project you see here is powered by the same template. And to make project management even cleaner, we used ACF, Advanced Custom Fields, to create a custom post type specifically for a project. So instead of dealing with default WordPress editor for each entry, you get dedicated fields tailored exactly to what a project needs. Easy to publish, easy to edit, and really easy to maintain. Update a field, and it reflects on the website instantly. Exactly how it should look. Finally, let's take a look at the plugins we're running. You'll notice something right away. Almost everything here is either from Kadence or built specifically to work with Kadence. There's no bloat, no unnecessary extras. Every plugin has a specific job, and if a project needs something custom beyond what Kadence offers out of the box, we can add that too without breaking the setup. And that's exactly how we at GrowthGeeky build WordPress websites that don't just look great, they perform. Clean code, the right tools, and a setup that's built to last and easy to maintain long term. If you want us to do the same for your business, the link is in the description. And if you found this helpful, drop a like and subscribe because we put out content like this regularly. We'll see you in the next one.